morning, guys. One thing I can't understand with these guys, uno depend the internet at about uno no this and uno no that, uno no fish, uno body na kick down uno back door or kick down uno kitchen door and whatever. And then at the end of the day, uno company internet and uno go on the most way, uno go on X, uno cuss, uno jump up, uno reel up, uno diss people, uno plan for shoot, uno want do all manner of things. And then at the end of the day, 2 days later, somebody can come out with one video and say, yes, see the boy we come by internet account, boy never did that, man never did that film. You see me? What the hell? Somehow no need for wise up, man. At the end of the day, if you don't know, so people have no secret out, they brother hide. Lock up, go underneath one stone. Because you know Jamaican people stay, you know people on a whole stay. Go under one stone and go hide yourself far in some cribs and some corner so they can't come dig you out. Because at the end of the day, you don't ever jump up and a reel up and a cuss. And then when time then done, then can go dig up one pitch tower, you know, and say, yes, see the boy, yeah, see man, yeah. They can go dig up things about you, and then at the end of the day, you come on social media. Me never did I do this. And the woman them are the same thing. Oh, I lie them at help her. Me never did up at the boy a yard. The boy they never have me yet. That boy never fought me yet. Me never did up a yard. I lie them at help her. Me. And then at the end of the day, by 1 week or 2 days later, here come all 3-4 Instagrammer. 3-4 somebody can come on social media and say, yes, then they did it so. Yes, man did a freak them. Yes, then my body man fetch you. You see me? Me can't understand them. You don't need to stop it, man. When you don't know say people have no file for read out, you don't need to keep your ass quiet. Because all this man, where them I say, what chopper scammer or something like so. This bleach out boy where them a grown as a man kick down in back door and in the pan video a bubble pan the other head top, not film head top, but one next man head top in the bubble pan. You see me and all of them something that the boy company internet a contact about shoot and a contact about who him a go F up from, who him a go frig up and who him a go done from, who him a go done and who him a go ring out in a face and who him a go ring out in a face. And then 2 days later, here comes somebody. You see me? And that it come like everybody forgot so we live in a technological world. You understand me? We live in a technological world. So when time you go somewhere and you feel like say nobody no see you. Somebody did it when know somebody when know you, when know somebody I could have 10 somebody come down from. The one they know, the one they know, the one they know, and they come right down to somebody will actually know say yes, they know you personally. You see me? And then at the end of the day, when that somebody they go come to you and say, yo brother, you know say, me here say Ray you're gonna be the one for jump up, move fire so yeah, pussy hole, bumbo clot, go suck your mad. And I so wanna start going, I wanna start behave the worst way. And I go on with yourself extensively. You see me? And then at the end of the day, a man or a person just try to show and say, look, this the about uno, so you need to be careful. Uno not forget about phone. It look like so uno forgot about smartphones. And everybody nowadays want story for go tell somebody because they want to feel like them there. You see me? They want to feel like them as somebody. So they want to know something about you. So they can go back and tell somebody so that somebody can post it on social media. And at the end of the day, enough people now have to go find out nothing about uno. Because uno self come and post it on social media and uno tell people the whole of uno life story and we not go so. Uno tell people when not say, yeah, it go so. And a data go on in my life, and a this go on in my life, and a data go on for me. And yes, I'm reach now from Ushpa, me did that 10 years ago. And then when time people, the actual people, them who they run and see uno. You understand? See uno life situated, see uno life set up. So I go on phone from one now go on phone. Them a go come out and talk. Because them a say una deceive the people, them una try to make it look like say yes, everything good and alright, and una live a life a lie. You understand what I say? And people quick, Jamaican people, they like the mix up. They love mix up. They love controversy. You see me? So if you have something where you don't want people to know about your brother, keep it to yourself. You see me? You want if you want man a day or whatever, and you hear people say something about it, nobody come on social media come beat up yourself. Because when you don't beat up yourself now, that there's somebody there go back and say, look, you see the boy did that and you go and look on the boy now. You see? Look on the boy on that video, yeah. You see, I don't like me I tell on the boy. And you need to remember, so them people upon social media, when them attack, if you not go so, you nearly go so. Me know enough of them not have no proof and they not have no this. But nobody now go just come sitting there, come piss or shit by your career or your integrity or your what don't call it. You see me? Nobody now go just come out just want get up and want. Yeah, you have enough people who would like to do it, yes. You understand what I say? But them people up on social media, they know what social media stay. They know say people like evidence. People like, you see me? People like evidence. They love mix up, yes. But when gravitate to the mix up, we have more stronger backative back at it. Them gravitate to the mix up is so more plausible. You understand what I say? So if a man knows say alright, you know say that girl is a thief though. And then go down the road and then see the girl and one man walk past and say, blouse and skirt. You know say yesterday that girl the thief one of my sister shorts or a thief one of my sister pants. The somebody will decide that man they no need to know if I true, you know. Because them enough for themselves know say, you know say in the tea something already. So it is possible. You understand what I say? At them the things that people work out for when they come on to sus. Because nobody now fi know you nothing about you fi eat you. Nobody now fi know nothing about you fi try bring you down. They not even fi know you. Then just want to know say yes you are try to do something better for yourself. And once they find out that you are trying to make it better for yourself, then try to shake you up. And that enough of them people and understand. All of them social media people are make money off of them, you know. I make money off of them and turn themselves into some idiot. Real idiot them. You understand what I say? As though me this say in my last video, yes, me know say social media so enough of them make them little money cause you know corona we just get past corona and thing. So people are trying to situate back their life, try to make their life more financially beneficial. But at the end of the day and everything where there's money involved or una go get a little publicity or una go get a little buzz and everything una for run too. And them people nowadays all them want do then just want, you understand? Then just want the fame, they want the fame, they want the glory and they don't care how the fame or the glory come by. You see me? They don't care how it want come. Then just want to know say, yeah, the man that say me fi come goggling tone or the man that say me must come and take it in my rear or whatever and then gone. Because they must say what? Oh, brother, I'll give me 10 grand when time in done. Or they will get one little piece of furniture for put in their house when they're done. So then a business then gone and they not think about the complications. You understand? They not think about further down the line. And at the end of the day, most of the time, they see a man there or see a woman there. Where the man then do them things there too, and or the woman do the things them to the man them. And then see a man they come a road that come and tell people. You feel say if you and a man or you and a woman lock up in a house and you do all manner of things to that woman or that man, if nobody no there on the window peep, or nobody no there on the keyhole a peep, or nobody no there underneath no bed while you know in the action and I hear everything and I see everything. Nobody can know what take place, you know. Nobody can know what take place between the two of you know. Only thing they can say, oh, then just done sort out. You see me? They carry then see the two of them come out of the yard or then see the two of them come out. And it don't have to be true neither. Because the person can just walk, have a normal little talk about something or somebody come visit you, carry something, come gear or whatever. But once your neighbor or somebody will not like you, or even somebody will like you, could have even your close friend. You see me? And then see that the man there or that the woman there come out of your gate. First thing, oh, you know, say man that door. Then just don't cut a piece, it look like, you know, cause or she a come out of female so earlier, or she a come out of female so late. You see me? It's like Jamaican, it's like people are not free to do what they want to do and enough if involve sex. You can't go somebody yard go look for them even if you're a man or a woman. You as a man can't go one of your girlfriend yard go say, alright, yeah, your girlfriend I go cook a pot. I now go sit down and watch two show, smoke if you don't want, or not smoke, or drink if you don't want drink. By the time I'm done, I come, them go say, oh, that there's somebody there and that there's somebody there. Yeah, man, I see them, because I see them last week, you know. And think me never see them. Which in you never business if nobody wants to see you, because you know it was an innocent visit. You understand me? But the one day your neighbor see you, and your neighbor go tell a friend, tell her friend go tell her friend, and the whole of them, no mind shop, the whole of them slung in a one circle, and that's why your neighbor go back and forth, until them put on where they want, put on, take out where they want, take out, and splice it in. Because I'm not like still, you know, Jamaican people, guess when time it come on to their mouth, Jamaican people mouth are one of the best editor you can find out there when I belong to no platform. Where you can go on no platform, go download it. Jamaican people mouth are one of the best editors out there, because they take out where they want, take out, then put in where they want, put in, and then twist up everything. So you see if the story if pass through 5 somebody, try know so when time that the story they reach to the 5th somebody. Try know say if I walk, you did I walk down the road when the story was told to the first person. Try know say if I just walk, you was walking down the road when the first person hear your story. Try know say when the second person hear your story, you was doing something else. You was walking down the road talking to someone, and then when you reach down there, so you go, yes, you was walking down the road, and then somebody stop you, and yeah, somebody did a walk and somebody stop you, no? And then you reach down to the 3rd somebody, you hear say, oh yeah, somebody did a walk down the road, somebody stop you, no? And in a war we do, no? And then when you reach down to the 5th somebody, now you hear say, oh, somebody stop them down the road in the walk with somebody did one in a war with, and then get beat up. You see me? And at the end of the day, you know, when the first somebody hear the story, it was just simply you were walking down the road. You understand what I say? And when they don't take it and twist it and edit it in their mind and in their mouth and their own words and spill it back out the man. If you don't know how the story go, man, you believe every single word with them people you talk say. Yeah, man, the best editor you can find is just a pity me can't use one of them mouth to edit my video then put my YouTube, because to be honest with you, no problem. Because I could find music, I could find graphics, I could find everything, because them mouth full of all of that. You see me? Anyways, guys, thank you. Like, share, subscribe, comment, leave a comment if you agree with what I'm saying. I'm not trying to being disrespectful. I'm not trying to be disrespectful to anyone. I'm just voicing my opinion. So if you guys like my opinion, you know, leave a like, a share, and a comment. Thank you.